and we have started this new initiative, digital initiative, which is called the Upfront. And in this initiative, we'll be speaking to some of the stakeholders from the auto components industry, and we'll be soon joined by Mr. Paritosh Dagli, who is the director of Sixth Sensor Technology. So basically, Sixth Sensor Technology is developing this collision warning systems to avoid any accidents which happen on the roads. And hi Paritosh, this is Deepti.
Hi Deepti.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. I'm good. So, tell us how the current situation is like for you, the lockdown everywhere.
So it's obviously a very tough situation for everyone. First of all, it's mentally it's tough because one has to stay at home and do all the work. For as a startup, it's all the more tougher because and we being in the hardware industry, a lot of our hardware is being assembled and tested in office, which we cannot do. Like the software part can be handled by the engineers from home, but work has faltered, and but still we are with a good spirit, and we are with the masters here to do the same. So let's see.
So tell us something about the indigenous technology that you have built.
So we are into automotive safety systems, and we have come up with a collision avoidance system that can be fitted as aftermarket in any of the vehicles on the Indian roads.
And how is the potential like in?
डाला जो वीडियो नॉट मूविंग मानसी से हेलो ये दोनों में से एक का कनेक्शन गया
The Indian and the global market for this kind of technology. I think we have lost Paritosh. Yeah, hi.
Sorry, there was some issue. Yeah, tell me now. This is okay now.
Yeah. So I was asking, how is the potential like for the technology in the Indian and the global market?
So the potential for such a product is very much required there. I would suggest that I would say that electric vehicles, electrification of automobiles, and ADAS. So we are into the ADAS segment, which is the advanced driver assistance systems, and ADAS and electrification of the vehicles are the next two big revolution that's going to happen in the Indian automobile industry. So we are yet to see a great leap in the ADAS segment from the Indian OEMs, but I'm sure it's just around the corner, and we should be seen in the next couple of years.
Did you face any challenges, especially when it comes to the pricing of these products?
Yes, we did face challenges because being a safety product, it's always on the back burner, and it has to be. Customers do not realize that such a product is available at the international market at a very high cost. But we, as indigenous technology in India, we have come up with a low cost, but still it's sometimes a deterrent to how we can sell as a safety product in the Indian market. So it's a big challenge to obviously come up with a low cost solution, and our efforts are always there to reduce the cost.
Okay, and there's a question from someone. Do you think safety will take a backseat after this lockdown?
Super.
Yes, hi. Safety will definitely a backseat because now after this the economy might get hit. 21 days lockdown would obviously all the economy will definitely get a hit, and companies, even the huge corporate companies, will look for survivals rather than putting into non-essential commodities, and that's where safety will definitely take a backseat. It's just like startups like us will have to keep the spirits high. We'll keep it going. We'll have to replan how to go forward, re-strategize the way to move forward in the company, and maybe we'll survive. We'll get through all this.
So we have be the sustainable for small businesses.
Yes, so that's a very important question that we all have right now for small businesses, how to survive. And I would say we will definitely have to cut down on cost. That's one thing that it's not rocket science, but definitely we'll have to rethink, re-strategize, and how to cut down on the cost. Like maybe all the wherever we can. I'm not suggesting on cutting down on the people or the resources. If you can, because those are obviously required for the company, but the non-essential spendings can definitely be reduced and should definitely be cut down. That's one area that the small businesses will really have to look at.
What are the other products like? I mean, your product range? I think we lost him again.
उसका पोस्ट हुआ क्या स्टोरी? नहीं वो ठीक है. हाँ वो एंड किया उसने भी.
हेलो.
हाँ दीप्ति, वेंट वेल. उसको जो अभी एंड पे पोस्ट टू स्टोरी कर देना.
हाँ मैंने कर दिया
ना.
यू कैन कंटिन्यू. मे बी उसके साइड में नेटवर्क इशू है.
ओके, एक बार वापस ज्वाइन करके देख. लेट हिम कम.
ओके ओके.
उसको बोल फोन से कर देना, इजी रहेगा. फोन से फोन नेटवर्क पे स्टेबल रहेगा.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है.
जस्ट टॉक टू हिम. Very good. ये करेंगे ना तो फिर वी कैन इंटरव्यू एनीबॉडी एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. कोई टेंशन नहीं, इधर निकलने की जरूरत नहीं. वो एंड में आता है पोस्ट टू स्टोरी. तो तब तक चलेगा। तो अभी तो मैं करूँगा और बड़ा वाला, मेरा पूरा अभी प्रिपरेशन इज देयर।
And we have started this new.
मेरे को ये देखने दो भाई, मेरा स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग बराबर हुआ।
Paritosh will be joining us again in some time.
फिर बंद कर दिया लाइव। क्या हुआ, इज नॉट एबल टू कम?
नहीं, what they said is मतलब